Hello guys, this is Lily. I'm the manufacturer of artificial grass, artificial green walls and willow fence. And today I want to introduce you about what kind of willow fence do we have and what kind of design we can supply you. So just follow me. Firstly, let me start with the size. Basically, we have three sides. So let me show you the 40 height centimeter, the 70 height centimeter, and this one, the 120 centimeters high. My height is 162 centimeters, so you can see the height here. You can compare the size we have. And secondly, let's talk about materials. Actually, we have three kinds of materials. They are the fabric, the film fabric, and also the PE leaves. Let me show you the difference. You can see this one is the fabric. It's made, as the name is, it's made totally by the fabric, fabric clothes. But it can be both dark green, light green, and the other colors. And it can also make any print. The second type, we called it film fabric. Film fabric, it's like the fabric with a more layer of the fabric on the top, like this. You can see the details. And the last one is the PE leaves. The PE leaves, just like this. It's made of, as its name, it's made of plastic, PE plastic, like this. And these are usually made of the high-end product, and it lasts long than the other two. And the third I want to introduce is the design of our willow fence. So actually, we have three kinds of design. The first design is one of our best sellers. It's a low density willow fence, and we have many types of leaves. Just I will show you some. Then I will show you about the high density willow fence. The high density willow fence, we have the film fabric and the common fabric with print. And I'll show you some of our best sellers. what I'm gonna show you is the leaves with the flowers. Those are also sold very well. Hope there are enough reasons for you to believe that Tiger Lily Garden is a very serious manufacturer with many designs and a reliable quality. So if you think it's still not convincible, no worries. Let's see about the quality. I have prepared 2 rows of the fence. One is manufactured by us, and the other is the one that I purchased from the other manufacturer. Then let's compare every details of the samples. Firstly, let's see the leaves. You can see the print and the fabric quality of our leaves, and this is from the others. Our color is more pretty and the print is more fresh. And let's compare the size. You can see our leaves is much more larger than the others. Then let's compare the stick. The stick from Tiger Lily Garden is more strong, and this one is very thin. And the color were more fresh, and this one is a little dry. So the quality is obvious. Our quality is better. And what's more, our price is much more cheaper than the others. Because of the limit of the videos, I can only display very few types of our Willow fence. Actually, we have many other designs. We also have the Willow fence with LED light, with the solar light, and we also have many other colors of the flowers, the leaves, and the different combinations. So if you feel you're interested, feel free to email us or send us by WhatsApp. Our team will get back to you very soon. Thank you.